Do you have an older computer? Perhaps it only has a VGA port, but your new TV or monitor, it probably only has HDMI. This is a common problem. The StarTech.com VGA2HDU adapter is like a helpful bridge. It connects your old computer to your new screen. It takes the video signal from your computer's VGA port, and it takes the audio from its USB port. Then, it combines them. Finally, it sends them out as a single HDMI signal. So, you can watch your computer's content. You can see it on your modern display. It's a simple solution. Therefore, this adapter is super useful. It's especially good for presentations, or maybe for older gaming PCs. You simply plug in your VGA cable. You also plug in the USB cable. These go into your computer. Then, you connect an HDMI cable. This goes from the adapter to your display. Furthermore, the StarTech.com VGA2HDU adapter is plug and play. This means no special software is needed. It just works. Consequently, it saves you from buying a new computer. It also lets you use your existing equipment. It's a very practical device. However, remember one thing. This adapter is a converter. It changes VGA and USB audio to HDMI. It doesn't improve video quality. The picture will be as good as your source, but it will show up on your HDMI screen. Overall, the StarTech.com VGA2HDU adapter is a solid choice. It's reliable. It's also straightforward. If you need to bridge that gap, consider this adapter. It's a great little tool. It expands your connectivity options. Pros: works well for old desktops, connects touch-screen tablets, works great at full resolution. Flawless picture and sound, great 1080p picture quality, acts as USB sound card, plug and played. Within minutes, sound from TV is better. Thoughtful USB extension, extremely versatile. Supports sound, works well with headless Linux cons. No sound volume control in Windows 10, cannot play copyrighted content in HD 720x400 BIOS mode. Does not pass through, PC may switch to HDMI for audio automatically, need to use TV remote for volume control features. Converts VGA to HDMI signal, includes USB audio support, connects PC to HD TV, black color. Casing, easy to use converter, compact and portable, no software needed, plug and play design. Powers via USB, model. VGA2HDU. The StarTech.com VGA to HDMI adapter. VGA2HDU is a small, black device that lets you connect an older computer with a VGA port to a newer TV or monitor with an HDMI port. It also uses a USB cable to carry audio from your computer to the TV, so you get both picture and sound. This adapter is super easy to use because you just plug it in, and it works, no special programs needed. It's also portable, so you can easily take it with you. The StarTech.com VGA to HDMI adapter. VGA2HDU is a handy device that lets you connect older computers or laptops with a VGA port to newer TVs or monitors with an HDMI input. It gives you clear 1080p picture and sound, even acting as a USB sound card. It's easy to set up and works well for various uses, including with some touchscreen tablets and headless Linux systems. However, you can't watch copyrighted content in HD, and some older computer screen modes might not work. Also, you'll need to use your TV remote for volume, and your computer might automatically switch sound to the HDMI.